Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's your next tip.
If you are given a file like a Parasolid, you'll be able to open it perfectly fine in SOLIDWORKS, but it won't have any features in the tree. There are a few ways to deal with this if you have to make changes to geometry that's already in place. As I open this, you see I click No on both of these pop-ups. I know this part is valid, so I don't need to run diagnostics, and I'll address feature recognition in another video, which is one of the other methods I mentioned. Like I said, there's nothing in the feature tree except this imported body. The method that I'll address today is through the Direct Editing tab. The first change I want to make is to get rid of this fillet. I want the original hard edges. Using the Delete Face tool, I'll select all faces of the fillet. Making sure that I have Delete and Patch selected, I'll hit OK, and the fillet goes away. This next alteration will use the Move Face tool, as will many of the others. I want to turn this front end kind of into a wedge. To do that, I'll use the Rotate option and select the face. Using the triad here, I can adjust them visually, or I can use the boxes over here to change them precisely by angle. Once that's done, I want to make this hole a little closer to the center, and I want to make it a bit bigger. I'll need to do this in 2 steps though. In the first step, I use the front plane as a reference for direction, but I could just as easily have used the triad. Using a reference could be especially useful if you need to move something in a direction that doesn't align with your coordinate system. Next, I want to increase the size of this hole. I'll offset the face by 1/4 of an inch, and switch directions since I want this to be larger instead of smaller. I'll accept that, and we have a larger hole.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.